go. You ready for the outside? Hey, China. It's okay. I love you. Bye. Bye. Come on. Oh, guys, I'm gonna miss him so much. Love you, Geo. Go find some food. You wanna go to the ant pals? Go. Hold them high. Bye, Geo. Geo. What's wrong? Is your wing hurt? Guys, I think his wings hurt. Smokey, look, I got a bird. Oh, okay. Great. You're not like China. You won't attack a bird. What, Smokey? You want to see the birdie? Look. Look at the birdie. Alright, birdie. We're just gonna chill. We're gonna chill right here, alright? Here we go. Come on, you wanna go back on my finger? Go back on my finger? There you go. Oh, you squeaked! Good! You're such a good bird! I love you, Geo. Are you ready to go? Are you excited? Go ahead, Smokey. Go ahead. Got so many pets. Go. You can go in. Go eat. Say that again. Good job. He's acting like a pet. I need to feed him. He hasn't ate. He won't eat. I've given him like so many bugs. He won't eat. I think he's just a baby. I need to like give him a certain feeder. Here, I'm gonna go put him near a tree. It's so nice outside. Hey, buddy, here you go. Aww. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Good job, guys. He doesn't want to leave. Look. He won't leave. Oh, he's looking for his parents. He hears the other birds. Oh, by the way, guys, she is a female robin. I want to go show my other cat, China. China! China! Oh, she's scared of the bird. China is scared of the bird because she knows if she tries killing it. Sorry, I just stubbed my foot really hard and it hurt. I'm gonna go put him on a tree or something. Alright, buddy. Love you. Here we go. Spread your wings and fly. You're a bird. Oh, here we go, guys. Look at him. Hi. Oh. I just wanted to pick him up one more time before I let him go. Oh, I love you too. I love you. Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Guys? Are you guys ready? Look how cute he is. Alright. His mother! Right up there on the tree. Y'all can see it. Go. Guys, here we go. Let him back in the wild. Look, a bug. Go look at the bug. Do you not see the bug? Oh. He can't fly yet. That's his mother. There they are up there. Oh, that's his brothers and sisters up there. Look, you see him? I don't think you guys can see him. Oh. Come on. China. Look at him. Look. China, no. Look. On my shoulder. China. Look at him. China. China, look. China. Don't bite, China. That's my cat, China. Guys, I'm so sad I have to let him go. Alright, I'm gonna go put him near a tree. See if he leaves. Oh, he just keeps climbing up my arm. Ow, I stepped on a rock. There you go. Why don't you go on in the tree? No, my cat will eat you. Where do you want to go? Are you ready to go? Look, guys, you can see he's a robin right there. Or she, I can't. Where do you want to go? You want... Oh, I got something on my leg. Go, you can go. Sorry guys, I got a notification. Are you gonna go or are you just gonna sit in my arm? Let's go in the shade so you guys can see him. Guys, look at him. He's so sweet. Look. He pooped on my leg earlier. I sliding down. My shirt's making. And back up. Guys, look at those beautiful feathers. Oh. So I'm gonna go look for some robins. Sorry guys, I had to itch my head. Oh, he's scared of the camera, look. He's scared, look. He bit my finger. Charlie bit my finger! That really hurt, Charlie. I'm just kidding, that barely even, it felt like nothing. It just felt like a ding. There you go. Bye. I was just looking at a tree. This bird's, look. Get off me! Oh, please. I love you too, but you want to go back inside for a little bit? Alright, fine. You can go back inside. There you go. Why does he like it in my house so much? I guess he's used to it. I hope his parents won't reject him. Dance at a birdie dance. Come on. Good bird. I can't get him to go. Smokey? Do you see the bird? Look. I'm gonna eat you. Nom 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 nom. Delicious in my tummy. Nom. So look, watch. Put him on the couch. Just get off really quick. Birdie, birdie. Guys, it's okay, it's okay. Shh. Watch him. There he goes on the couch. Oh, Birdie, don't do that, don't do that. Oh, Birdie, don't. Birdie, stop. You're gonna get stuck. Birdie, stop, stop, stop. I got Birdie. That's his nickname, Birdie. His real name is don't let him near the cats, because they are trying to eat him. So I can't put him down in front of my cats. Smokey, I thought I could trust you. See, this is why. Look at him. Look at her. She's like, I wanted to eat you. She already ate one bird under the mulch. That's the piece. That was Charlie. Charlie the bird. He died. My cat ate him. Whoa, look at that. I just not noticed this. Wonder if there's a fox. Foxes are my favorite animals. No? Oh, nope. I lied. There is one right there. Wonder who did that. That's cute. I like it. What are you waiting for, buddy? Like, are you gonna go or are you gonna stay? There you go. There you go. Bye. Fine. You wanna go back on my arm? Come on. Come on. Are you ready to go? All right, come on. I'm going to go put you near a really nice tree. I know most birds really like this tree because it has like a little nest in it. Look at it. He's going to really like it. All right, I love you, buddy. I'm going to miss you so much. He's such a sweetheart. Look, there's your birdhouse. Look. Go. You can go in it. Go. You want to sit on the branch? This bird, he's difficult as heck. Sorry guys for this such long video. I just can't get him off. Buddy, I gotta let you go. Buddy. You just want to sit here on my lap? Hey, come on. There you go. You want to go back on my arm? Come on. Oh, he thinks I'm his mama. Alright, come on. Oh. Come on. There you go. Sweetheart, I'm sorry. Look at him. I can't touch him. Dance, dance, dance little birdie. Dance, dance, dance little birdie. Me when I have to take pictures. Take picture. Oh, he didn't do it. He normally faces away from the camera. Hey, buddy. Go, 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 go. There you go. Come on, you want to go back on my hand? And there he goes, and there he goes on my hands. Oh, there's little birdies. Look. You want to go? It's not his kind of bird.